Hey everybody, Matthew here,
And I'm Jack.
and we are here to talk about something that's near and dear to our heart. It's how
How
to
to
be
be
a
a redhead.
redhead. Okay, guys, look at this. What I just got in the mail is the whole new kit from How to Be a Redhead. Finally have lashes. Oh my God, what an amazing name. It comes with like the original shade, the new shades, the brow gel, the pencil, and also this tote.
I'm so excited for this.
Like you probably really know, right? For so many years, I have been looking for a mascara that is actually for my color palette.
Yes, I've gone to so many stores looking for it, and they tell me they don't have it. All they have is black or brown. So I'm excited to have something for a redhead.
Okay, so I've already done Jack's makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, but I think it looks pretty phenomenal. And I did one of his brows already with the Finally Have Brows pencil, and then also the Finally Have Brows brow gel. So now I'm going to do the other brow. Okay, one of my favorite things about this brow pencil is it comes with a really nice little comb here on the end, so you can dust out your design. And also, I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but it's almost like perfectly matching my hair and like your beard.
Mm-hmm.
Look
For
at that.
sure.
I just like to make little sweeping motions, kind of like the length of a hair. And that's how it just kind of creates that natural look. I just go with like the natural arch of his brows already. And I'm just kind of coloring in where his blonde hair is most blonde. So then after I've penciled it in, I'm just going to take the little brush part and I'm just going to kind of brush out the pencil. Get the hair going in a good direction. I'm taking the Finally Have Brows brow gel. And by the way, I just want to show this, that on the box, they actually have like an illustration of a redhead, which is so crazy because I've never seen that before. So if you look, this side actually has the brow gel on it after the pencil, and this side doesn't. So you can see what the difference is. And then also the brow gel just really helps lock in the pencil that you just put on and lock in kind of like those unruly hairs as well. You can use one or the other just by themselves, but they also work really well together. Okay, so now that his brows are done, I need to do my brows. Now my brows are already pretty thick. I'm going to probably go through with the brow gel and just define them a little bit more. So I just go through and see how it just matches perfectly. And the brow gel just helps define. My brows are really thick and really kind of unruly. I have to remove them a lot of times, but in the front right here, they don't really grow too much hair, so I like to color that part in. But what a perfect match this is. Okay, now we've saved the best part for last, the lashes. So I'm gonna choose a color, and you're gonna choose the color. But
I'm so excited for this.
we're not gonna do the same color. These are the 4 shades they have, and this is Perfectly Plum, Perfectly Brown, Perfectly Auburn, and Perfectly Chestnut.
So I'm going to use the Perfectly Auburn. I love the names of all these. But this matches like my beard and eyebrow color, so I think it'll really make my lashes pop.
And I'm going to use the Perfectly Brown. I like my lashes to be a little bit darker, and this one is brown, but it still has a hue of red.
You can see that it goes on so smooth, and the color really like pops. It gives me those red lashes.
No, all of these formulas from How to Be a Redhead are vegan, cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. So a lot of like redheads, as you know, like kind of have sensitive skin, and this is perfect for them. Okay, so over here is Perfectly Chestnut, and over here is what?
Perfectly Auburn.
And you can see the difference in the way it makes the eye pop.
My lashes are very blonde, so you can see these make them match my beard and eyebrows more.
Yeah. And this is actually like both look really good. I'm going to use the Perfectly Brown. So this is brown, but it just has a hue of red in it. And I love how smooth it goes on. It really thickens them up too and volumizes them. Look, this is one eye done, one eye not done. Amazing, right? And just put a little bit on the bottom. Look at that. And so just for fun, I'm going to do the Perfectly Plum on this other eye so you guys can see the difference. Plums are perfect colors for redheads. It just like accentuates our natural color palette, our natural skin tone palette,
and it just kind of makes your features pop.
My beard is changing colors as we speak. It's getting more blonde around the edges of my mouth. So I'm actually going to take this perfectly chestnut color and I'm going to apply it to my beard right around the edges. So it can define my lips a little bit more. I'm just going to do a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. Then I'm going to take a disposable eyebrow brush and just comb through. Okay, so these are the 4 different shades that How to Be a Redhead has. This is perfectly brown, perfectly plum,
Perfectly Auburn, and perfectly chestnut.
and you can see how they all work for our skin tone, our color palette. What's your favorite?
I think I like kind of the darker ones a little bit, just because I have a darker beard, so I like the darker colors of perfectly Auburn. Really matches my beard.
Yeah, yeah.
But the
And
plum too has that dark color.
that dark color.